Folks, Dave Schulke here with the Twin Home Experts. Want to go ahead and take time out and give you the inside of a slab leak process. There's some alternatives to dealing with the slab leak, so I want to go ahead and show you what that process looks like.
I want to make sure nobody's using
Leak is right here where this blue tape. Folks, now that we've opened up the wall, come a little closer and you'll see why it's important to use the proper leak detection equipment. This pipe right here is the leaking pipe that goes to that bathroom there. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut it and eliminate it. And I'll go ahead and show you underneath the laundry room where this connects to. Alright, so here's the laundry room. So this pipe right here is the pipe that runs about 20 feet underneath the bathroom where the pinhole leak is. Okay. So instead of doing this, section of pipe that is no good, that's got a hole in it out. Here you will actually see the actual hole. You can see that there's a small hole in there. Instead of dealing with all that jackhammer dust everywhere, you might want to consider just doing a reroute. So in this particular situation, because we've mapped out where all the water pipes are underneath the slab, we now can focus on eliminating that leaking pipe underneath the ground. And what we're going to do in this particular situation, we're going to put in a T right here where the hot water pipe is. We're going to run it exposed along this ceiling over here. We're going to bring it this way. We're going to bring it this way. We're going to come down the wall. Across here. We're going to come through the wall here, and we're going to tie back into that manifold that I was showing you guys earlier. We're going to tie back into that. So we're essentially eliminating the pipe underground, bringing a pipe, and that's really a permanent fix. All right, guys, so you can see we've capped off and we've eliminated this pipe right here. You can see as well there's no water in this pipe, and when you cut an underground pipe that's in the wall and there's no water in it, that's a good indication that all the water leaked out of the hole underground. So now that we've capped it off, let's go ahead and turn the water back on. We're going to go to the water meter and verify if there's any other leaks. So let's go to the meter real quick. All right, once you cap off the line or eliminate that pipe that's leaking, before you do your reroute, come to your meter and make sure nothing is spinning. And all this is going to do is verify that you've capped off the right pipe. And as you can see, the meter is not spinning, so we definitely found the pipe that is leaking underneath the ground. So we're good to go to start running pipe.